Most of us, when we were children, would ask why, constantly. Why is the sky blue? Where does the sun go at night? How do magnets work? It's magnets I want to talk about today. So imagine I take a bar magnet. It has a north pole and a south pole, and I chop it down the middle. What I get are two new magnets, each with their own north pole and south pole. And I chop them again. I get 4 magnets, and I keep chopping. I get more and more magnets. If I chop all the way down to the atomic level, I get to an atom. If I started with an iron bar magnet, I will have an atom of iron. It has a nucleus, and it has electrons orbiting around it. And you ask, well, this atom, is it magnetic? And the answer is yes. But why? If I pick one of the electrons off the atom and have a look at it, it also behaves as a little magnet. Now, electrons behave according to quantum mechanics, but they are still more or less magnets, little north pole and south pole. But I can't chop an electron in half. It's a fundamental particle, and it behaves as a magnet. This is really strange. Let's put the electron to one side for a moment and look at the nucleus. If I chop open the nucleus, I will see it's also made of other little magnets. I can pick out little fundamental particles, and they're still magnets. The child asks, why? And I can't tell you. It is one of the facts of the universe that we see particles that behave as magnets. Particles also have a charge. They can be positive or negative, in the same way as they have magnetism. We can't explain it. And you think, well, Matt, you're a physicist. Isn't it your job to answer these questions? Well, how do you think I feel? But don't lose hope, because the really interesting thing comes when you take these fundamental particles, reassemble the atoms, and you start making magnetic materials out of them. You can arrange these atoms in so many different ways. You can make all sorts of things out of them. You can build yourself a particle accelerator. You can build yourself a computer memory storage system. So we shouldn't tell our children, stop asking why, it's just the way it is. We should tell them, that's the way it is, but now you know that's the way it is.